Today we got my 8th month on Etsy update. Alright, now in the last video I promised I was going to get more listings on there, and you're going to be a little disappointed because I only added one. I only had a total of 41 listings in the month of October. Now the reason for that, and I know I continually promise that I want to add more listings. At the time I lost my job, so I thought I'd have a lot more time to do this. But I found a job pretty quick that I really enjoy, but it's taking a lot of my time just kind of going through training, learning the ropes, and everything like that. So my Etsy store has suffered a little bit, but I hope to continue working on this slowly but surely, and that is a promise. I will not be giving up on this, but let's dive in the numbers. So as far as organic numbers go, I had 865 visits. 18 total orders, $100 in total revenue, and a 2.08% conversion rate, which is pretty low considering the past 3 months were above that. So not exactly what I like to see here, but it's still running, it's still operating without much of my intervention. It's just slowly declining, which I don't like to see. Alright, so then as far as ads go, now this was kind of my mistake. So I had set ads to $2 a day, right? Because if I can get one sale every 3 days, the ad spend is worth it for the price point of my products. But unfortunately, so I have 2 Etsy accounts and I mixed the 2 up when I was changing the ad spend. And for 2 of these days, I set the ad spend to like $12 and then like $7 another day or something like that. So this is a little bit higher than I would have liked it, and that was kind of my bad on that. But I had 219 visits from ads, 5 total orders, $27.20 in total revenue, which is a 2.28% conversion rate, which is the lowest conversion rate I have had on ad spend. So I'm definitely going to continue to dial this back. I might stop it altogether, but for now, I'm just going to keep it at $2. And that resulted in a total of $127 in revenue. So not great. So essentially, there's a lot of things I need to do, right? I need to keep adding listings. I need to refresh my listings. I need to see what's working and what's not. I need to really analyze it and figure out what type of images are working better than others and address it. With my new job and everything, I just haven't given this the attention it needs. And I know that you're hearing that a lot from me, but please be patient. I promise I'm not giving up. All right, so overall, that results in 269 orders. $1,300 in total revenue, which is a 3.62% conversion rate, 8,794 total visits, $313 in total profit, growing, not too bad there, which results in 44% of my total revenue comes from ads. All right, and there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this update. Hopefully it wasn't too long for you and you were able to stay till the end. Please subscribe, smash the like button, leave a comment down below, let me know how you're doing. Appreciate it, and have a great rest of your day.